Hi everyone, it's Evie, and today I'm going to be presenting on building automation systems as part of a drawdown solution. So jumping right in, first I'm just going to give you guys a quick little background of what the systems are within buildings today, commercial buildings today, and then I'm going to be introducing building automation systems, the benefits of using those within commercial buildings, and then I'm going to give you guys some drawdown facts as well as examples of BAS systems or BAS systems in place today. And then I'm going to be debunking the climate change myth and telling us what we can do to kind of reduce our carbon footprint. And then we're going to proceed on to discussion questions and then our references. So, just giving you guys a brief little background. This project is going to focus on how buildings can reduce our carbon emissions, considering that they are responsible for creating a fifth of our global greenhouse gas emissions. And it's also important that I mention that this system I'm only talking about in relation to large commercial buildings and not things like homes or small offices or small shops. This project also focuses mainly on the technology known as building automation systems, or BAS for short, like I said, which have been proven successful in reducing building emissions. So, talking about most buildings today have some type of computer based management system that allows for a building manager to control things like the lights or the temperature or fire alarms or appliances or even elevators. However, these are antiquated systems that are prone to frequent failures and tend to be less efficient in terms of energy use and cost efficiency than automated ones. And they tend to be less efficient because they rely on humans to regulate the building and therefore are prone to human error. So essentially this computer within a building, so I'll show you guys down here. So over here on the left hand side, this is what traditional commercial buildings have right now. And then over on the right we have the BAS system, which is superior. So going back to talking about just like the basic unit that is usually within a commercial building. So the system within the building, the computer essentially alerts the building manager of problems or energy saving opportunities, and then it's actually up to the managers to implement either those energy saving opportunities, or to fix the problem at hand. And this usually can lead to other problems and possibly more carbon emission because it's faulty simply due to the fact that we have the human error involved. So now I did want to mention that controlling things like temperature within a building is important, although we might not see it at first. And it's important because heating and ventilation often presents the largest opportunity for energy savings in commercial buildings. So I just did want to introduce what building automation systems are. So basically, they are the internal brain of a building. They scan the building and consistently rebalance the system within the building to reach the greatest level of energy efficiency. And it does this by controlling the building's lighting, heating or cooling system, the windows, appliances, security devices, and even the ventilation systems. For example, it might turn off the lights when people leave the room to save energy, and it also operates windows automatically to naturally heat and cool the space, which also improves the air quality. So before I show you guys this video,